Hello, I'm Teresa, and today I'm talking to Solar Gain of Tucson about some solar incentives and tax credits that are slated to end soon and how you can benefit from these. Robert, Tim, thanks for being here today. So for anybody that's ever considered solar for their business or their house, why is now the time to act?
It's a good question. Right now, all the incentives are in place. There's a big bill, the budget bill going through the House and the Senate, and the way it's currently written, all those incentives would go away. And that could happen as early as September. So we really want to get people signed up today.
So if they call now, all the savings apply?
Exactly. If we can get your project signed up before the end of July, we still have time to get your system built and maximize your incentives. So literally, there's never been a better time to call us and get your solar system going.
Robert, Tim, thank you. Call before the deadline ends. Solar Gain today for your free, no obligation quote and start owning your own power.